Binance were able to burn almost 3 billion coins of Terra Classic. That was on 1st of July. Now, by August 1st and 2nd, if Binance are to burn, we are expecting a burning of over 3 billion to 5 billion coins of Terra Classic by August. Okay, because this month we also how Terra Classic really gain in terms of trading volume, and we also have people who are really burning Terra Classic coin, and I'm happy. So we have been predicting next burning, and I believe that this time around we are going to hit almost 3 to 5 billion coins. But let's ask this question: burning 5 billion coins in a single month definitely is still not enough. Even though let Binance burn 100 billion coins in a month, Terra Classic is still going to take over 40 years for Luna to hit 1 cent or 10 cents. Because I will tell you the truth, 5.8 trillion supply. I mean, Terra Classic have about 5.8 trillion coins in circulation, but while we have about 6.8 supply. I've been saying this right from time. Luna need to burn their remaining supply. We have almost 1 trillion supply, so they should start by burning at least 500 million coins of Terra Classic, or even 500 billion, or even 1 trillion. We still have a remaining supply, and they need to start burning. Even they start burning 10% every month, it will help Terra Classic. But I'm still happy because Binance have been contributing a lot. Binance have been burning a lot of Terra Classic coin in the past few days. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if Binance will definitely burn more coins this time around. But I'm expecting at least between 3 to 5 billion coins. Binance will definitely burn in 3 to 5 billion coins. Now expect within the next 3 months to come, expect Luna to hit about 800 million to $1 billion market cap because of the recent project. A lot of crypto investors have been looking at to searching about Binance, and recently Binance and Terra Classic I've been searching about Terra Classic, and Terra Classic has been one of the top trending coins. And in terms of social media engagement, we recorded so much comment about Terra Classic burning this month, and also Terra Classic rising up to 1 cent. There have been a lot of debates online. People have been debating about Luna price prediction and the Luna burning, and I believe that for the price prediction, I still believe we can reach 1 cent, and for the burning, I still believe we can burn half of Terra Classic coin. Let's keep on supporting our Luna. And apart from that, Bitcoin are also planning a mega project that will help the price of Bitcoin to revive quick, and I'm happy if BTC can revive quick. Definitely other coins will definitely revive with Bitcoin. So if BTC launches this project they are planning to, I believe so many coins, from Binance BNB, a lot of coins, Ethereum will definitely benefit, because BTC rising will definitely take other coins along with it. Well, please remember, let's wait for the best, but this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.